Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm gonna show you how to make sake to maitake no takikomi gohan. It's rice cooked with salmon and maitake mushrooms. Very simple and easy dish, but the rice soaked up all the flavor of the salmon and mushroom. It's simply amazing. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this sake to maitake no takikomi gohan. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings and some extra. 2 cups of Japanese rice, 3 salmon fillet, 200 grams of maitake mushrooms, or you can use any other type of mushroom you like. 2 tablespoons each of soy sauce and sake, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of hondashi instant Japanese soup stock. I'm going to prepare the rice first, so let's rinse it. Put some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat this 3 or 4 times. The water don't have to be perfectly clear. Let's put the rice in the pot here. It's 2 cups of rice, so I'm adding 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. And just put it aside. Now, salmon. Sprinkle some salt. Just random amount of salt, so not the salt that you measured. On both sides. And let it sit for a while. Maitake mushrooms. Cut the bottom off. And just break it into pieces. I left the salmon for about 10 minutes and it's sweating, so it's time to cook. Let's put all these seasoning in the pot of rice. Sake, soy sauce, hondashi, and salt. Give it a stir. And place the salmon on top as you dry them with paper towel. Then maitake mushrooms. Cover with the lid. Turn the heat on and just bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low as you can go and let it cook for 12 minutes. Cooked for 12 minutes. Turn the heat off and let it steam at least for 10 minutes. Steaming is very important, so don't pass the process. Steam for 10 minutes. So let's mix and fluff. Remove the skin and the bones of the salmon, if there is any. Mix it. Serve in the rice bowl. And 鮭と舞茸の炊き込みご飯 is ready to go. It's smelling so good. Time for the tasting.いただきます。The aroma of the maitake mushroom and the umami of the salmon are spectacular, and it's simply so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 鮭と舞茸の炊き込みご飯 goes here, and how about 豚汁 pork miso soup here? These dishes contain enough protein, so let's pass the main. Anything you like for the side dishes, but I think I want to have mushinasu for one of them, and some sort of pickles to refresh my palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!